Hi, my name is Sayak Maji. I am from BBHNH from EILM Kolkata. Today I will make lal mans from Rajasthan.
Okay, so we'll start. First we'll put the oil. Let it heat for some time. For flavoring, we'll put some dry red chili. We'll put some garlic. We'll put some ginger. We'll let it cook for some time. We'll put some ginger paste. I'll put some onion and let it saute for some time. The main ingredient of the lal mans is this red chili paste. This is soaked red chili and we'll put this after some time. We'll saute the onion for some time till it gets brown. For masalas, we will need the haldi powder, we'll put red chili powder, we'll saute it for some time. Now we'll put the red chili paste, which is the main ingredient. Now we'll put some curd. Now we'll put the marinated mutton. Now this lal mas is ready. Wonderful red color and very spicy. Now we'll finish this with little bit of garam masala. That's all. Garam masala flavor should not predominate. Only the predominant flavor is the chili flavor. Now our lal mas is ready. So our mutton lal mans is ready and it is very spicy. Do try at home and let us know in the comment box.